This video explains how to use TCP PointCloud Editor's terrain editing tools. We start by creating an esplanade on a previously generated grid. Choosing the average elevation method and defining the contour using a polygon. We draw the vertices of the esplanade polygon, which is only partially seen because some of the points are in higher elevations. We get a quick profile to check the modified terrain. The red line represents the grid profile. We change the elevation exaggeration factor to better appreciate the result. We hide the point cloud and have a three-dimensional view of the esplanade above the grid. We now zoom in another area of the project to show the interactive editing options for grids. We define the polygon, and after finishing the grid editing control panel appears. We can set the radius and intensity of the modifications with the cursor, among other options. If we choose the flatten mode, with the movement of the cursor we are flattening the grid in real time. The raise mode allows you to create crests in the grid in the desired areas. Finally, the sink mode creates a sink in the areas marked by the cursor.